Hi, we're the folks. Thanks for buying one of our decals.
We've made a short video to show you how to apply it.
I'll demonstrate using a decal of our logo and my laptop. Prepare the surface by cleaning it with rubbing alcohol. Next, I'm going to grab a small squeegee or credit card to prepare the decal for removal from the backing paper. Carefully rub any air bubbles out and ensure the transfer paper is attached.
Now it's time to remove the decal from the backing paper. Grab it at the corner and give it a gentle tug.
If any of the vinyl does not lift off the backing paper, just press the transfer paper back down and rub it again with the squeegee.
We're ready to apply the decal. Using your fingers, start at the bottom of the decal and work your way up.
Use the squeegee again to get out any air bubbles. Then wait 10 to 20 minutes before removing the transfer paper. The last step is to remove the transfer paper. Be patient with this step. Start from the corner and remove the transfer paper at a 45-degree angle.
If your decal has small pieces, they might lift up when you pull the transfer paper back. If this happens, just put the transfer paper back down and use the squeegee to help push the vinyl back. Then pull the transfer paper up again. For best results, let it cure for 24 hours. Thanks again for buying a decal from us.